Hi, मैं हूँ अनुराग the dude और ये है Priya my Deewani.
And we're here to take you on an incredible journey.
Wait. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our video.
Also, click on the subscribe button. And for more videos on Zee Zest, don't forget to hit the bell icon. पिछले 20 साल से हम साथ ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं।
नए places, नए cultures, नया food.
Then we discovered कैसे एक चीज दूसरे से connected है. The what, where, when, why of food. That's our passion.
Satrangi food.
Atrangi connection.
Join us on Dude or Deewani. अरे प्री, अरे तुम्हारे कोल्ड कॉफी में तो कुल्फी बन गया।
Oh damn! I left it in the freezer to chill for a bit and just forgot all about it.
ये लो, coffee and ice cream, 2 in 1.
You know, in 1905, there was this 11-year-old kid, Frank Epperson. He left his soda with his mixing stick outside on his porch and forgot all about it.
तुम्हारी तरह।
The next morning, it froze and then it became an ice cream stick. When he grew up, he patented it and named it after himself, calling it the Epsicle, which later became legendary as the popsicle. Maybe I just created something.
You just created confusion. अगर मेरी बाई ने ऐसा काम किया होता ना, पता उसका क्या नाम रखता मैं?
क्या?
Bicycle.
Rubbish.
कैसा है by the way?
Not so bad, but not sweet enough. Can be a cone, no?
Maybe this was the last one. अरे सेंटी क्यों होती है? चलो ना, मैं तुमको अच्छा सा आइसक्रीम खिला के लाता हूँ. Leave this. राम सिंह गुस्सा नहीं कर से. तो ऐसे प्री पता तुमको?
क्या?
आइसक्रीम कोन्स की भी यही कहानी है. 1904 में यूएस में सेंट लुइस वर्ल्ड फेयर हो रहा था. तो उसमें एक बंदा ना आइसक्रीम बेच रहा था. उसके प्लेट और कप सारे खत्म हो गए, तो उसने अपने पड़ोसी से वो मिडिल ईस्टर्न पेस्ट्रीज बेच रहा था.
Pastry.
लाइक वॉफल. तो उसने उससे वॉफल लिया, उसको कोन में बनाया, उसमें आइसक्रीम ठूसा और लोगों को दे दिया. Became a sensation.
कौन सी बड़ी बात हो गई?
अरे बाबा, उसके बाद बहुत सारे लोगों ने कोन का काम चालू किया और कोन बन गया करोड़पति.
Give me a bite.
ये लो.
What about Gudbud ice cream?
What about it?
Don't you know the story? Late one night in Udupi at Gaya Hotel, bunch of guests landed up late at night and asked for ice cream. And most of the flavors were over. So the guy, Mohandas Pai, he actually scooped up different flavored ice creams and chopped up some fruits and nuts, tossed in some syrup and jelly, and served it to them. It became such a sensation that, they started asking for more. Hence, the Gadibidi ice cream, or the ice cream made in a hurry. In Kannada, it's Gadibidi. It became Gudbud ice cream. And Gaya Hotel invented it. Ideal in Bangalore made it popular. And now we have Gudbud in Bangalore. Shisa.
गड़बड़ हो गई. चिट्ठी बज गई.
You didn't leave anything for me.
एक और दे देंगे बेबी. सेम स्टोरी विद बेलगाम कुंदा. एक बार एक हलवाई जक्कू मरवाड़ी कढ़ाई में दूध चढ़ा के भूल गया. जब तक वो वापस आया, दूध कैरमलाइज होके ब्राउन हो चुका था. उसने उसमें खोआ और चीनी मिलाया और बेलगाम कुंदा तैयार हो गया.
अच्छा? Mysore Pak too. Another mistake gone right. One day, Nalpaka, the legendary royal cook of the Mysore Maharaja, was asked to make a special namkeen for the king. But accidentally, instead of salt, he added powdered sugar to the ghee and besan.
He was so terrified to serve it, but the Maharaja loved it so much that he asked, Areva, what it is? And Nalpaka said, it's a special paka or concoction, and it became the famous Mysore pak.
Wow! Potato wafers भी गलती से बना by George Crumb in 1853 at Saratoga Springs.
हाँ.
एक बार एक खड़ूस कस्टमर रेस्टोरेंट आया और कंप्लेन करने लगा कि फ्राइड पोटैटो बहुत मोटा है. It ain't crispy enough. हमको और पतला मांगता है. जॉर्ज ने और पतला बनाया. कस्टमर फिर भी खुश नहीं हुआ. तो खुन्नस में उसने आलू को इतना पतला पतला काटा, एकदम महीन, wafer thin. It became a big hit and potato chips were born.
You know, some of the greatest discoveries were by accident. You've heard the story about the Singapore tribesman, right? Who was out on a camp. He was boiling water and accidentally some dry tea leaves fell into it. He took a sip of the drink and he found it so refreshing, and chai happened.
अरे even coffee was an accident.
हाँ.
एथियोपिया में there was this goatherd called Kaldi. तो एक दिन वो अपनी बकरियां चरा रहा था. उसकी बकरियां ने गलती से वाइल्ड कॉफी बेरीज खा लिया और कल्दी ने देखा कि वो ज्यादा ही उछल कूद रहे हैं.
Like you.
That's how he figured out that coffee was a stimulant.
पनीर भी गलती से बना. Mongol horsemen were actually riding through carrying milk in their saddlebags, and the heat and the rennet of the hide fermented and curdled it, creating paneer.
Oh, and what about tofu?
Huh.
Somebody accidentally dropped nigari or coagulant into soy milk, and tofu बन गया. Tofu, tofu, tofu.
Aya, aya, aya.
And what about beer?
Oh yeah. Grain left in a damp room got fermented with wild yeast, and mankind said, "Cheers to beer."
Cheers to beer.
Eat your favorite sauce.
I'll say it.
Go for it.
Worcestershire sauce.
Well done! Worcestershire sauce was an accident too. In 1838, Lord Marcus Sandy, an English nobleman, returned from Bengal to England. He was so homesick about the Indian curry, he hired 2 chemists to recreate a Bengali recipe. It had anchovies, tamarind, vinegar, chili, garlic, mustard, and pepper. But they found it so awful, they left it in a barrel in a basement and forgot all about it. Months later, they opened it and decided to taste it very bravely and said, "Ooh, very nice."
Her mistake, बुरा नहीं होता.
Bottoms up.
Shut up, yeah. This painting, where the... Sorry, I'll take that again.
बार-बार कथा में विघ्न. Yeah.
Zee Zest को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हमारा कोई नया वीडियो मिस ना हो.